A wall decor that blends well in any kind of setting. The price is justified or not totally depends on your perspective. But to me, this piece was a game changer in the way my brick wall ended up looking. I've tried to give you a nice close-up of the intricate design it has, and let me tell you, it is not a very heavy piece. In fact, it is considerably lightweight. Cannot talk about the durability aspect of it, but all in all, it was definitely one of those purchases that you think about later and smile, thanking yourself for not having left it behind at last. This one came for Rs 200 only. Low seat for living room or a stool, whatever you may call it, was one of the best things we brought home. As described very aptly on the internet, that low seats or stools are an underappreciated piece of furniture which is actually a multi-purpose gem. Other than its most obvious use, it can also be used as a footstool for a sofa or in the balcony with a limited space. We tend to carry this from one room to the other just to get some extra seating beside the bed. It is a stylish but very well priced item that one can get from the market. I got these for a not so bad Rs 350 each. Okay, let's have a look at this beautiful muted rug that I chanced upon right in the beginning of my Banjara shopping spree. I paid Rs 200 for this rug and I think it is a steal deal. The tassels on both ends make it unique. The color might seem bland to some, but to me it was the color of my dreams. Let's just say I'm loving pastels and muted shades these days. The quality is pretty thick, and as you can see, this rug is already coming to much use in my house.
Sun in the sky, there's a cloud drifting by. All kinds of birds make you wish you could fly. And in the distance I see someone waving at me. I hope that it's you, but who else could it be? I guess it would.
Another unique pick according to me at this marvelous shopping destination was this boat-shaped wooden centerpiece. It was honestly very rough to look at as it had no polish, paint or varnish on it. But that is the kind of stuff you should be expecting from this place. I nabbed this one for just $200. Crockery is my weakness, and a nice green ceramic bowl was not something I was going to miss. There were many sizes and shapes available in these, so there's something for everyone. Crockery over there mostly looks extremely dirty and happens to have pencil or chalk marks or some manufacturing defects in them. So be very careful about that. These bowls are not very heavy unlike the usual ceramics. The bowls look simple, classy and chic. Off-white and beige color is quite in these days, and I have seen similar things in some of the well-known brands out there. They seem sturdy and not something that would break or chip easily. The size is slightly larger than our usual katoris, but very good to serve Indian curries. I would give this item a thumbs up. Priced at a meager 60 rupees a piece, I had to bring them home.